Hi there, it's Sam from Petals.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. I'm showcasing the Pressed Petals suite. Now, I'm holding this in place because as part of the suite there is this beautiful journal and it's called the Pressed Petals Journal. But I was a bit dippy and I only ordered one of them and I didn't want to stick stuff on the front and then go and stick it on the back because that would get confusing. So I've put together one whole front panel. And I'm going to make another one for you. But actually what's inside is beautiful. I don't know if you can see that. It's beautifully, it's debossed. So it's not raised, it's debossed in the floral pattern. And then it's got all sorts of things inside. And then it's got these serrated edges so you can tear them out. Secret to having it all is knowing that you already do. Beautiful floral work inside. So these are just gorgeous today. I'm grateful. Beautiful writing, so all throughout, and like I say, each page is serrated so you can pull the pages out if you want to. Just gorgeous. So I made this one by using the designer series paper, the dies, the stamp set, and then this amazing washi tape which comes on a roll, and then it's each individual petal. So, but let me show you the paper. So you get 24 in a pack, so it's thinner than our regular paper, so you get 4 each of the designs, and one of the sheets, and I'm going to see if I can find the full sheet. Well, let's have a quick flick through while I'm looking anyway. Just gorgeous. Ah, there it is. Let me put it to one side. But just beautiful. So pretty. And one of the sheets, which probably we're not going to be able to see fully on camera, let me move those out of the way, has got all of these patterns that you can cut out and do card fronts or backdrops. Long strip there. This is the one I used before. I might use this one this time around, but you cut them all individually. And yeah, Insta card front. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this one. And on the back it's the musical notes. Probably is music that, you know, you can sing along to. I just don't know what it is. I can't read music. So there's my panel. That's it. Easy. Done. That's going to go on the front. I've got a bit of cardstock here for my petal labelled dies. And there's a couple of them. There's 3 in total. I'm going to go with that one. This is Rococo Rose, so one of the new in colours. So I've got my platform, a clear plate, cardstock, die, another clear plate, and then, as I said in a video the other day, my Big Shot hand calibrated. So I found that with our new style of dies, I need to put a shim on. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab it and peep through. I'm not sure. Yeah, everything's cut through. Yes, it has. It's all cut through. Move that out of the way. Move that out of the way. Bring my grid paper back again. Pop that out. And then I'm going to get my new die brush. So this goes on the Take Your Pick tool. And run through all the bits. And it just pops them all out. Ooh, that one, you see, I knew one hadn't die cut properly. There we go. Last one's there. Done. Pop that away so I don't lose it. Okay. I'll make the flowers in a second. And the phrasing on here, they are just gorgeous. Hoping you can find strength for today and peace in tomorrow. Sharing in your sorrow. Your kindness has touched my heart. Here's to always finding joy in one another. Laughter, warmth in one another's embrace, and love in one another's lives. So that would be beautiful for wedding or something like that. And actually that is going to be the one I'm going to use. So what I need to do now is grab some Very Vanilla. And what I'm going to do I'm going to get my Rococo Rose. Stamp right across the bottom, like that. Grab my trimmer again. And then I'm going to cut off all of the bits I don't need. Hello, Berry. That would be a cat. I think she'd like me to go and play. So that's all the bit I don't need. So I'm going to... Yeah. Silly kitty. Okay, so dimension... I know you want to play, don't you? I can't stop filming. I'm going to go that way round. I know you're very lovely, aren't you? Come on, off you go. Off you go. I'm going to put some of that in the middle to get it across there. Oh, to have it across there. And now I can stick it to the front of my book on there. What did I do with the snail? It's right in front of me. Bury you through me. Do you know what? She can sit here for an entire morning and ignore the fact that I'm filming. And if I go for a tea break or coffee break or something like that, she'll suddenly appear again and go, no, I want to play. Right, so these are the petals, and you will see that they graduate in lines all the way around, and then suddenly one of them will be like that. That's your first one. So peel one off. I tend to take them all off first and then I layer them up afterwards. So I want 5 for this flower. Okay, so let's start lining it up. So clever. Oops. And if you get it in the wrong place, it's washi tape, so you can just pick it up and move it again. There we go, so they're done. And then we have these lovely designer elements, which are gold, silver and rose gold. So I'm going to take a rose gold one, pop it in the middle. And that is a cat coming back again. Do you approve? That is an easy way to cover those beautiful, beautiful notebooks. And yes, Berry likes it too. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me, us. We hope to speak to you very soon. Bye. Oh, Berry.